Hello, everyone. I'm Karuana, the director of the Microsoft 365 Customer Advocacy Group, and I'm here today with Market Development Manager Vanessa with Shure. I love Shure. I'm so happy you're with me today, Vanessa. Thank you.
Thank you for having me here. This is
It's
exciting.
It is exciting, right? And it's exciting because, quality audio and the overall meeting experience is so important to human connection and productivity. And I know that this is an area that Shure has been doing amazing innovations in for a long time, but you just announced a product that I'm really excited about. So tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely, I'd love to. So we do have a new bundle, the MXA 902 in Annie USB, and this product comes one SKU, pre-configured out of the box, ready to bring audio excellence to all of your Teams rooms environment.
People tend to focus on the video quality, and I appreciate that, and that's also important. But really, it's the human voice that provides so much of that connection experience, being able to understand people's intonation and what have you. Really having that high-end experience is fantastic. But I think that this is really affordable for people who already have those Teams rooms.
Absolutely. It allows you to really kind of elevate that human experience, that meeting experience, so people can collaborate effectively.
Absolutely. Now, it's just a part of everything that Shure has to offer in this area. I know that there are many other types of devices. Tell us a little bit about the whole portfolio that you have.
Yeah, I'd love to. So we have a really scalable, flexible ecosystem that gives you the ability to go from small, simple rooms all the way up to larger, complex spaces. So it scales with the needs of the customer, and it brings that audio excellence to everything that you're doing in your Teams room spaces.
That is fantastic. Well, thank you for sharing all that with us today. If you'd like to learn more, why you can go to the Teams Devices catalog and you can search for Shure. You can see their products, and please use a certified device with Microsoft Teams. Your meeting experience will thank you for it.